Breathe better and sleep deeper with the Levoit Classic 160 Top Fill Humidifier. Don't wait. Check out the link in the video description to get your Levoit Top Fill Humidifier on Amazon today and enjoy a healthier, more comfortable home. Newsflash now. US stocks surge as inflation report shows progress on price hikes. The latest consumer price index has shown a slowdown in inflation, with core measurements rising just 0.2% from November and easing to 3.2%. This is the first time this gauge has slowed for months. According to Bureau of Labor Statistics data, the CPI rose more than anticipated, increasing by 0.4% from November and jumping to an annual rate of 2.9%. However, energy prices, particularly gas and fuel costs, accounted for 40% of the overall monthly increase. Energy prices have been a major contributor to inflation in recent months, with food prices also remaining elevated as key staples like meat and eggs continue to face pressures from weather and disease. Markets reacted positively to this morning's report, with the Dow up by almost 700 points in morning trading. This is largely due to traders' hopes that the Federal Reserve will continue its rate-cutting campaign this year. Economists were expecting inflation to pick up 0.3% from November and notch a 2.8% annual increase, primarily due to expectations around higher energy and food prices. The consensus estimates did anticipate core slowing on a monthly basis, but holding firm at 3.3% for the year. This report marks the final CPI reading for 2024 and the last before President Joe Biden hands over the keys to President-elect Donald Trump. Despite the recent slowdown in inflation, it's clear that prices of everyday items are still significantly higher than they were in 2021, with a 21% increase. While this data may have positive implications for the markets, it doesn't diminish the fact that this has been a particularly painful report for American consumers, especially lower-income Americans. The cost of necessities like food and energy have been major contributors to inflation, and there's still work to be done to achieve more typical rates of inflation. Newsflash Now will continue to follow this story and bring you updates as more information becomes available.